Hello there! Welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, ex-Big Brother Naija housemates Khafi and Gedoni expecting their first child. Let's check out the story. Ex-Big Brother Naija housemates Khafi Karim and Gedoni are expecting their first child together. The couple met during the 2019 edition of the popular reality television show and later got married in December 2020. Taking to social media, Khafi announced via her Instagram handle that she and her husband were expecting their first child together. She wrote, "According to some of you here, I have been pregnant for the past 2 years. I'm glad to say your predictions have finally come true. I couldn't be happier. Hashtag Baby Gedoni 2021. Sharing a similar picture, Gedoni posted a picture of himself and his wife which shows a baby bump, and the joyous father-to-be wrote, "Slow down, bump ahead. I'm the happiest man on this earth. The way God is particular about me, eh?" Well, a lot of people have come out to drop their congratulatory messages for both Khafi and Gedoni. Oh well, we are definitely very delighted for the couple and we'll pray for safe delivery for Khafi. Let's know what you think about this story in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.